In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to clients via HoneyBook. Whether you're just starting with HoneyBook or looking to streamline your client communications, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease, helping you make the most out of this powerful tool. To begin, you'll want to open your client's project within HoneyBook. By accessing the project space, you're entering a hub dedicated to your client's specific needs, including all messages, files, and details relevant to the ongoing project. This centralized view not only keeps you organized, but also ensures that your communications are always within context. Once you have the project open, find the Send Client Portal link option. Clicking on this will essentially set the stage for your email communication. Now, you might wonder, what exactly is a client portal link? Well, it's a specialized link that grants your client access to their personal portal, where they can view important documents, proposals, invoices, and anything else you've shared with them. This link is a gateway to streamline project management for your client, empowering them to stay informed and engaged. After selecting the option to send the client portal link, you will see a message window pop up. This is where the magic happens. Type your email message in this window. It's helpful to remember that this message is what your client will see, so clarity and professionalism go a long way. Tailor your message to meet the tone and needs of your project, whether it's a warm greeting, an update on current progress, or a call to action prompting feedback or a signed agreement. The email you compose here should not only convey any necessary information, but should also engage and invite the client to engage further through their portal. Take advantage of this opportunity to personalize your communication. It's these small personal touches that often help build stronger, trust-filled relationships with your clients. Once you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and click Send. Your email is immediately on its way to your client's inbox, along with the portal link, ensuring they have everything they need to easily access their project materials. This simple process not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of miscommunication, as all client interactions are seamlessly managed and documented within the HoneyBook platform. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email to your client via HoneyBook, ensuring professional and efficient communication. As you continue using HoneyBook, you'll find that this method not only enhances your workflow, but also improves client satisfaction with consistent, clear communication practices. Keep exploring HoneyBook's features, as there are plenty more tools designed to simplify your business operations. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your projects.